At the bus stop, two friends meeting. Ravi. Hello Suresh. Good morning. Are you going to the office? Suresh. Hi Ravi. Good morning. Yes, I am waiting for the bus. Ravi. The bus is a little late today, right? Suresh. Yes, it usually arrives by 9 o'clock every day. Ravi. There is a lot of traffic on the main road today. Suresh. Oh, that is why the bus is delayed. Ravi. Which bus do you take to go to your office? Suresh. I am waiting for the bus number 10G. Ravi. Great. I am also waiting for the same bus. Suresh. That is nice. We can go together today. Ravi. Look, the bus is coming now. Suresh. It looks very crowded today. Ravi. Yes. Let us move quickly and get our tickets. Suresh. Come on, let's get on the bus. Ravi. Yes, let's go. I hope you liked today's conversation. Read these lines every day. Practice them again and again. Practice makes you fluent. Thank you so much for watching. I will come back with a new daily life conversation. Keep speaking English. See you in the next video. Bye.